If you don't know what SCP-3008 is, well, you will now. It is the infinite IKEA. Basically, it's an infinite IKEA. That's all it is. You survive. Oh, great! It's night, and on a blood moon of that. Okay, so you collect stuff like you store it up, or you pick it up and stuff. You can pick stuff up and build bases. You can pick up these lights. In the game, like the real game is based off of a real game, by the way. It's a little different. I actually like this place, but I'm gonna keep exploring. What? I didn't know this was a. Oh, and it's a day. So basically, at night, the store workers hate you. Oh, it's actually a really nice, cleared out area, mostly. But I know what I'm looking for. It's not that. So what I like to look for is you need a cafeteria for food so you can restore your energy. And is this a base? Oh, I already found a base. I don't have to build another base. Oh, okay. And so yeah, you can like rotate stuff that you pick up. Bro, this person was grinding. Look at the Rubik's cubes. This stuff has got to be rare. Woo! This is not the most safe right here. Let's go ahead and fix that, and I can just make this place like a better base. Like TVs I found are actually good for building out. So I can make like a balcony to see what I'm doing. See what I'm doing. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna build a little balcony, and then we can like hang out. It's this painting. It looks like a rug. These are all have different hitboxes. Wait, there's someone in the base. We've been found out. No, but they were just here. What? Oh, here, right there. I hope you saw them. So palettes are also good. Oh my gosh, everything has different rotation. So I've come to the conclusion. This is what I meant by workers. Bro, that's some thick thighs. What? I actually don't know what time it is, and like it can't be late, but they attacked me at night, so there's actually a lot. But there are people over here. I want to join these guys. These guys are cool. Rock painting. Rock. Oh, they're building like a little shelter. That's cool. You can also make waypoints. So if I go like inside of here, um, in a minute. Oh, wait, actually, is the rock one there? Now when I'm standing up here, I can know that it's about drive and power, and he's eating, he's devouring. Can't pick up those crates. I see. Um, what else can I use to lock that up? That's good. Put that right here. And the person. Oh, it's so much more difficult to turn them than it should be. Oh, there's a bunch of notes. How did I not know this? Something else I'm gonna want. It's a lot of light. So we can get something like this. Oh, it's there perfect. I'm just gonna light up this area. Perfect. So there are two reasons I want to do this. One, so I can find it, but then again, I'm gonna set a waypoint. And two, so that wanderers can find it. And there's food in here, but I'm gonna have to find a cafe. How to find them. Yeah, this will not last me forever. I go G for inventory. Draw. Pizza, 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 pizza. How do you eat so much? And now it's night. No, no. I don't even have a way to go up to my balcony. No. Well, that's just a shame. Luckily, I have my friends here. Jake Paul and what's their names? Sola and Go 5 I. Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. It's risky. But I didn't set my waypoint. So basically, name, um, color. Let's get red. Who doesn't like it? Who doesn't like red? Icon. Um, yes, your name, show distance, create waypoint. And then, so if I leave, like there's a little home. Food. I'm going to do this until it's day. No breaks. 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 It's the light. It's too dark, like right here. Should be able to sleep in the beds. There's a little bed right here. I can pick it up, but I can't sleep in it. That sucks. Right now, it's like I'm actually doing Rubik's Cube right now. So I have no idea how I'm supposed to. You know what? It works. Or I can just go. Boom. Look at this. This is modern art. Not? Is this not modern art? It is. This is modern art. Look. This is the most modern art can be. Art. Art. I am 2 meters from my home. Is it possible to be less than 2 meters? It just says 2. Forever. I want to pick up. Oh, I just made a grave mistake. Perfect. Mistakes were not made. That's so fun. Why was that so fun? No, I said I would be crouching and uncrouching for the entire thing. But purple lamp. Q. I want to see my altitude. Oh, it's gone. I'm 0 steps high. Oh, um, so that's the door now. Have battery. Battery. I have to bring it to an outlet. Up under the doctor. Oh, awesome. So, before when I was looking for lights, first, what did I do? Oh, wait, there's a reset. Control Shift. No. Um, Trip R. Oh, yes, there's a reset. Okay. Fixed. Nothing wrong ever went wrong. Oh no. Oh, where's the exit? Oh, that's intimidating jump. Intimidating jump. But that doesn't say Ikea on his shirt. It's like Reiki. Oh no, it's not like I was saying. There's a TV over here. I can't say no. I can't not bring it. But what if it's maybe slightly a little bit horrifying? Goes with the guys. Okay, now you go back here. We finally get the TV I was talking about. Yeah, there are also these giant pillars, so you can help track where you are. But like, how would you do that if they're just waypoints? Oh yeah, you can climb cases. They're literally ladders. I want to trap one of these Ikea workers. I really need a place to eat. Need a cafe at Ikea. But for now, I think this is good. So yeah, I think we made a mild improvement to the base. I hope you like seeing this. And sorry, my voice got quiet. But have a good day, and I'll see you later.